Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days, both Friday and then today, Monday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green line up here is coming from, but that's also where our first update comes about. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day up here at $1.55 was a support, but now that it's been broken, you can see that that's what pretty much opened up the floodgates, so that much further down it went. So keep an eye on that. I am going to actually adjust this level down here now that we have more data, and the near term, just call $1.50 as that first key level of resistance. So $1.50, especially when you look closely right there, you can see the price really struggle to get up above it. So keep a close eye on that with any sort of bounce. Now, if the price does get the bounce and then does break through that $1.50 mark, the next key overarching level of resistance you would want to keep your eye on is that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. Right now, that's valued at $1.73. However, one hurdle at a time, and the first hurdle is just simply going sideways and bouncing. Next hurdle would be then getting up above $1.50, and then you can focus more so on the 50-period. So those are where the resistance levels are going to reside. As far as levels of support are concerned, I think for this we'll go to the daily time for the daily. There we are, and I'm going to have to squeeze things down here a little bit. So yeah, this was actually, I didn't realize, but today also broke through these lows from back here, which you can see. So in other words, the price is down at lows that have not been seen for a very, very long time. So next key overarching level of support going to be down there right around $1.25. So $1.25, next key level of support, given today's breakdown as I showed right there. Big breakdown today from a technical point of view. We'll see if the price can try to level things out. But things are looking shaky quite a bit, both from the short-term charts and the long-term charts. But the good news is the week is young, still 4 days left. So the bulls have plenty of time to try to turn things around. So let's see what happens on the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.